You will be paid $50,000 if you can save the Titanic from colliding with an iceberg, but this is almost impossible since even the Titanic's own captain could not do it. The thing is that in the United States there is a museum dedicated to the Titanic, and it hosts an incredibly difficult challenge to save the Titanic from an iceberg. But this is nearly impossible because the Titanic was traveling at 45 kilometers per hour, and the iceberg was only 400 meters from the ship when it was spotted. And steering a 50,000-ton ship is incredibly difficult, and only a handful have managed to pass this test. But the museum has even tougher challenges. For example, you will be paid $70,000 if you can hold your hand in that water for 2 minutes, but no one has lasted even more than a minute, and that's because the water was collected from the Titanic's wreck site, and the water's temperature that night was -2 degrees. But what draws people most is the museum's theater, because only there can you see real footage of the Titanic breaking apart, shot on the day of the disaster, and the ticket cost $10,000. But recently, hackers breached the system and leaked all those recordings to TikTok, and now anyone